The world has gone digital. Remember Blockbuster? Gone. Once a giant in the entertainment industry, Blockbuster was a household name. People would flock to their local store to rent the latest movies and games. But as the digital age dawned, Blockbuster couldn't keep up. The convenience of digital streaming services made physical rentals obsolete. Now, those once bustling stores stand empty, a stark reminder of how quickly things can change. The lesson here is clear: adapt or be left behind. Replaced by streaming services we access from our phones. Today, we have the world at our fingertips. With just a few taps, we can watch our favorite shows and movies anytime, anywhere. This shift has revolutionized the way we consume content. No more late fees, no more driving to the store. Everything is instant, everything is digital. This transformation has opened up a world of possibilities, not just for consumers, but for entrepreneurs as well. This digital shift is creating massive opportunities. The internet has leveled the playing field, allowing anyone with a computer and an idea to start a business. From e-commerce to online education, the possibilities are endless. You no longer need a physical storefront or a huge budget to reach customers. With the right strategy, you can build a successful business from your living room. The barriers to entry have never been lower, and the potential rewards have never been higher. Every day, more people buy, sell, and learn online. The convenience of online shopping has made it the preferred method for millions. From groceries to gadgets, everything can be purchased with a click. And it's not just about buying. Selling online has become a lucrative venture for many. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon have empowered individuals to turn their hobbies into profitable businesses. Online education is also booming, with countless courses available on virtually any topic. The digital economy is thriving, and it's only going to grow. It's a global marketplace open 24/7. Unlike traditional businesses, online stores never close. This means you can reach customers from all over the world at any time of day. The internet has made the world smaller, connecting people and businesses like never before. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or offering consulting services, there's a global audience waiting for you. The potential for growth is limitless, and the time to act is now. This is your chance to join the action and build your own online empire. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from anywhere in the world. The freedom and flexibility that come with running an online business are unparalleled. But it's not just about the lifestyle. It's about creating something meaningful, something that can make a difference. Whether you're passionate about fashion, technology, or education, there's a niche for you. The tools and resources are available. All you need is the drive to succeed. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Starting something new can be daunting, but every successful entrepreneur started with a single step. It's natural to have doubts and fears, but the key is to push through them. Surround yourself with supportive people, seek out mentors, and keep learning. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The only way to fail is to never try. This isn't just for tech geniuses. You don't need to be a coding wizard or a tech guru to succeed online. There are countless tools and platforms designed to make the process easy and accessible. From website builders to e-commerce platforms, everything you need is at your fingertips. And if you ever get stuck, there's a wealth of tutorials and communities ready to help. The digital world is for everyone, regardless of your background or skill level. You just need passion, hustle, and the right information. Passion is what will drive you to keep going, even when things get tough. Hustle is what will set you apart from the competition. And the right information is what will guide you on your journey. Invest in yourself, take courses, read books, and never stop learning. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the digital landscape. Success is within your reach, but it's up to you to grab it. Think of it like learning a new sport. When you first start, everything feels unfamiliar and challenging. But with practice and persistence, you get better. You learn the rules, develop your skills, and gain confidence. Building an online business is no different. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn. But the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. And just like in sports, the victories will be all the sweeter for the effort you put in. It takes practice and dedication, but the rewards are worth it. The journey may be long, but the destination is worth every step. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off, of achieving your goals and enjoying the fruits of your labor. The digital world offers endless opportunities, but it's up to you to seize them. So take that first step, embrace the challenge, and start building your future today. Your time is now. So, you want to make $3,000 a month online? Awesome! The digital world offers a plethora of opportunities for anyone willing to dive in. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a full-time business, the internet is your oyster. But where do you start? Let's explore some of the most popular and lucrative online hustles that can help you achieve your financial goals. The best part? There are countless ways to do it. Freelancing, e-commerce, online courses, and more. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and services to clients around the world. E-commerce lets you sell products, whether they're handmade crafts or dropshipping items. Online courses enable you to share your knowledge and expertise with a global audience. Each of these paths has its own set of advantages and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and interests. And let's not forget affiliate marketing. The options are endless. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales, you can generate a steady stream of passive income. Blogging, social media, and email marketing are just a few ways to drive traffic to your affiliate links. The key is to find products that align with your niche and audience, ensuring that your promotions are both authentic and effective. The key is to find your niche. What unique value can you offer? What problems can you solve? Researching niche markets and identifying gaps can give you a competitive edge. Brainstorm ideas, validate them, and focus on a specific area where you can excel. This will not only make your online hustle more manageable, but also increase your chances of success. What are you passionate about? Passion fuels persistence. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. Think about your hobbies, interests, and the activities that make you lose track of time. Sharing your passion with others can be incredibly rewarding and can help you build a loyal audience. Whether it's cooking, fitness, or gaming, there's a community out there waiting to connect with you. What skills do you have? Maybe you're a wordsmith, a coding wizard, or a marketing guru. Leverage your existing skills to create value. Writers can start a blog or offer copywriting services. Programmers can develop apps or websites. Marketers can help businesses grow their online presence. The possibilities are endless when you combine your skills with the power of the internet. Combine your passions and skills with online platforms, and you've got yourself a business. Platforms like Etsy, Upwork, and Teachable provide the tools you need to reach a global audience. Balancing different tasks and merging your skills and passions can lead to a fulfilling and profitable online hustle. So take the plunge, explore your options, and start building your online empire today. Once you've found your niche, it's time to choose the right platform. If you're a writer, platforms like Medium or Substack could be your jam. If you're selling handmade goods, Etsy or Shopify are great options. Next up, marketing. You need to get your hustle in front of the right people. Social media is your best friend. Engage with your audience, build a community, and watch your business grow. Let's get practical. Start by setting realistic goals. Don't expect to make $3,000 overnight. Focus on building a solid foundation. Create high-quality content, be consistent with your posting schedule, and engage with your audience. Remember, success leaves clues. Study what others are doing in your niche. Don't copy, but learn from their strategies. And don't be afraid to experiment. The online world is constantly evolving, so stay curious and adaptable. Section 5. Overcoming obstacles. Solutions for common challenges. Every entrepreneur faces challenges, especially online. Don't let fear of failure paralyze you. It's part of the process. Feeling overwhelmed? Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Struggling to find clients or customers? Network like crazy. Attend online events, join Facebook groups, and reach out to potential collaborators. The more visible you are, the more opportunities will come your way. Section 6. leveling up, scaling, and diversifying your income. Congratulations, you're making money online, but don't stop there. Think about scaling your business. Can you automate some tasks? Hire freelancers to help with the workload? Diversifying your income is also crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore affiliate marketing, create online courses, or launch digital products. The more income streams you have, the more stable your online business becomes. Section 7. The long game consistency and adaptability win. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. There will be ups and downs. The key is to stay consistent. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it. The online world is constantly changing. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Be adaptable. Embrace new platforms. Experiment with different strategies, and always be learning. Section 8. Embrace the journey. Your digital success awaits. In today's digital age, the opportunities for success are endless. Whether you're starting a blog, launching an e-commerce store, or offering online services, the digital world is your oyster. The key is to stay committed and keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. Building an online business is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Every step you take, every challenge you face, and every milestone you achieve brings you closer to your goals. It's about the long game, not the quick win. Enjoy the process, embrace the challenges, and celebrate your wins along the way. Each small victory is a step towards your larger vision. Take time to reflect on your progress and appreciate how far you've come. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Remember, you're in control of your own destiny. Your success is in your hands. Set clear goals, make a plan, and take consistent action. Stay focused and don't let setbacks deter you. Every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Seek out mentors, join online communities, and connect with like-minded individuals. Collaboration and support can make a significant difference in your journey. Remember, you're not alone. There's a supportive online community waiting to cheer you on. Engage with others, share your experiences, and learn from their insights. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. The power of community is immense. Now go out there, crush it, and make that $3,000 a month and more. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and keep your eyes on the prize. Your digital success awaits, and the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace it with open arms and a determined spirit. Section 9. Your future starts now. Take action and thrive. You've got the knowledge, the tools, and the motivation. Now, it's time to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and never give up on your dreams. The world of online business awaits, and your future starts now.